Hi, I'm Anto, and I'm presenting Newton AI. So Muse, I know he introduced Muse. So
Sorry.
Muse was the previous name that we used. Now we pivoted to Newton AI. We are building generalist agents for mission critical simulations. So meet Hannah. Hannah is in charge of BART in SF City Commission Planning. She asked us to simulate a new BART station in Embarcadero. We made the simulation possible through generalist agents using completely 3D environments built within minutes. So it saved her 85% compared to of like time and engineering, designing, and all that compared to traditional methods. 50 plus scenarios created within minutes on how different BART train timings, how people interact with the trains, how the roads have to be constructed, the tunnels underground, and everything like that. And just with that simulation, $2 million has been saved for the BART planning commission. We deal with education, defense, and robotics. If you can play the Optimus robot, that'd be great. Excuse me. Can you click on the robot? This one, yes. So you can see a lot of things in the world is run on simulations, and we are trying to create a faster process for it. So this is Optimus. So Optimus is trained on millions and thousands of millions of hours of VR footages, different training environments to simulate each and everything that the robot does. The market size for robotics, there's a huge market size for robotics, defense, transportation, agent marketplace, and even education. And the market is set to grow from $116 billion to $1.6 trillion by 2030. Our traction, even though we have been dealing with all education simulations, so text-to simulations for a lot of history content, we have gained over 300,000 users with zero marketing dollars spent. And 1,500 institutions all over the world have been using our product, and all this happened in a year time. Our customers include Harvard, MIT, one of major Ivy League institutions, city planning commissions. We have NVIDIA on the board as well, and a lot of other players use our product as of now. Our business model is simple. We use subscription-based model and APIs to leverage different creators, engineers to build their own platforms. We also do small generalist AI agents for different purposes like defense or for robotics, for the training, for accelerating the training, etc. So if you can click on these two images, that would be good. And that too. So our technology is simple. We use diffusion models with Gaussian splatting, one of the latest research in the field. We do have advisors from Genie 2 paper, one of the Google DeepMind papers, IBM, Stanford AI Lab. So we based our technology on the latest research in diffusion models. So if you can imagine, Waymo took almost 14 years to train their driverless cars in the streets of San Francisco. 14 years is a very, very long time. We need to cut that down to almost probably a year or two. And with this simulation model, that's possible. So we are training, yes. Yeah, so we are training different robotic simulations and everything on diffusion models, as you can see here. We have a huge database of followers. So we have got like from all around the world, from companies to institutions to even Larry Page is one of our clients. He's included in the 300,000 users. And he is mostly using our educational content. Our competitors are Google DeepMind, World Labs by Feifei Li, and also some physical intelligence companies like Odyssey who use like real world scans to train their generalist AI agent models to create like interactive simulations and stuff. Our go-to-market is definitely, I told this to you before, it's mostly APIs, partnering up with marketplaces, leveraging different content to users to build their own individual generalist AI agents trained on particular content that they create. We have also dealt with the defense. So we won a couple of hackathons by USSCOM and the Navy, who used our simulation model to detect different drones that come overseas in the Pacific Ocean, and also for fighter jet simulation. So the future of the wars will be fought will be fought over VR glasses, where the pilot will be in the home soil fighting abroad. So there's a lot of defense-based applications as well. Even though we are not going deeper into it, we are mostly concentrating on the Industry 4.0. Me, myself, one of the early staffs at XAI. I worked with Elon Musk. Before that, I used to work at NASA. My co-founder, Luke, he's staff at Harvard, and he used to be a researcher at MIT. We have got like the first couple of funding from those two institutions as well. Other staff include one of the founding engineers of YouTube, and who's Ed Miner, and Chi, who's one of the founding engineers at Google. He has worked with Larry and Sergey for the past 26 years. We are raising $3 million. We have already got grants of up to $400,000 from Harvard and MIT. And we are using this funding to scale on a drastic level and convert almost 300,000 users in education, and also capture more clients as we go. That's it. Thank you.